how to fix Rockstar Games Launcher Offline mode. First, you will open up your computer search and you want to search for add or remove programs. Open this up. Now from here, you will search for OneDrive. For some reason, Microsoft OneDrive doesn't work well with Rockstar Games, so you want to try uninstalling Microsoft OneDrive. Once you have uninstalled this program, see if that fixes the issue for you. If it doesn't, we can proceed to the second step, which will be opening up our computer search yet again and searching for virus and threat protection. Click on that option. Now right here, you will go into virus and threat protection settings, manage settings. What you need to do is to first scroll all the way down and click on add remove exclusion, select yes. Now add an exclusion folder, and you want to go to your C drive, program files, and just find Rockstar Games from this list. Select the folder and then you will click on select folder. Now once you have done this, if it still doesn't work, you can try temporarily disabling your real-time protection, so turn this off, and once you load up Rockstar Games, see if it works. If it doesn't, make sure you turn this back on, and also make sure this is turned on. Okay, so once you have done this, the last thing that I suggest doing if it still doesn't work is searching for documents. Open up your documents, and here if you see a Rockstar Games folder, you just want to right click and delete it. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.